this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you the easiest way to fix your volume that's too low on your Android phone. So just go to the Google Play Store right here, and then go to search, and just type in volume boost. And there is going to be a bunch of different apps under here, so volume booster. Now you can see all these apps. Just go ahead and get something that's like 4.7 or above. I kind of like this one right here, volume boost and sound. So this one's got 10 million downloads, 4.7. We can open this up, and then we can just choose the language, English, and then we can go to start. We can skip it, we don't have to pay for it. And now we have all these different options in here. So we can increase the system sound. We can choose 100%, 125%. And it says prevent unexpected shutdowns. We might have to give it some sort of permission on our phone. So we can just go to allow to use in the background, and we can ignore it. And we can go up to 125, 175, we can go to max. Excessive volume may cause damage to your eardrums. Okay, so it just heads up. Go to max on here. And then we got the equalizer too. And we got all these different options on here. We can turn on the equalizer, so if we want to increase maybe the bass, we can go back to volume. So it's very easy to use. You can just try it out with your phone settings. So you can boost it pretty much 100%. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.